Good morning, everyone. My name is Deson C. Perez, your accredited competency assessor in shielded metal arc welding. First, I want to acknowledge the presence of our processing officer, Ms. Villanueva, our representative from TESDA Provincial Office, Mr. Reyes, and our AC manager, Ms. Chua. Ma'am, sir, good morning. Before we start, please submit your admission slip. Thank you. Thank you. As I call your name, please acknowledge by raising your hand and sign our attendance sheet. Mr. Arnel Lintag, please sign our attendance. Thank you. How about Michael Cruz? Thank you. The purpose of this assessment is to determine the level of competency achieved. Also, job requirements for promotion and additional credential. Shielded metal arc welding have units of competency. Number one, set up work area, equipment, and accessories. Prepared weld joints, fit up weld materials, weld carbon steel plate using SMAU, and weld carbon steel pipe using SMAU. Shielded metal arc welding have 4 dimension skills. Number one, cognitive skills, understanding welding principles, interpreting blueprints, and analyzing materials. Also, we have technical skills, mastery of welding techniques, handling tools, electrodes, and welding machine. And interpersonal skills, collaborating with team members, following instructions, and maintaining clear communication on the project requirement. And last, intrapersonal skills, practicing discipline, patience, and safety awareness for the continuous improvement in welding performance. To determine your knowledge and skills, the assessment method we use are written tests, demonstration, and oral questioning. When you are inside the assessment center, we have things to do and not to do. Number one, no gadget allowed. Practice career professionalism. Observe occupational healthy safety. And no eating, drinking, and smoking inside in our assessment center. If you have personal needs, our laboratory is located at the end of the hallway. And if you want to eat and drink, we have canteen in our lobby. As your assessor, do not hesitate to asking some questions to me to clarify. The result of the assessment will be competent if you pass all the necessary competencies and not yet competent. In terms of confidentiality and integrity, all activities in the assessment center must be confidential. In case you have question regarding to the result of the assessment, you have the right to appeal, and you can pass your appeal to the TESDA Provincial Office for the Assessment Center and Accredited Assessor. For the issuance of national certificate, will be emailed to you, and you can request a printed copy and apply to the TESDA Provincial Office. Just bring your car's ID and additional 50 pesos for the processing fee. For the assessment process, for not yet competent, you can take only 2 consecutive reassessment. Always maintain occupational health and safety. That's all. God bless and good luck.